Yesterday, as we say, Purva Katha Prasanga. What are the things that cause sorrow in the world? Nityarditena vittena. Yesterday I was telling you, beyond a limit, wealth is poisonous. It won't allow you to sleep. You will have to drink to sleep or take a sleeping tablet. Only then you will sleep. Nityarditena vittena. It is arditena, causing problems, causing sorrow. Durlabhena atmamrutyuna. It is so difficult to acquire, and yet it is the death of the self. The moment we have stinking riches, the self is gone. The self is dead. You'll be happy to know this afternoon I asked the Lord, what is the message for tomorrow? And I got a very nice caption. Feed the body, but pamper the soul. How do you like it? Problem is we feed the soul and pamper the body. That is the problem. The soul needs pampering. Unfortunately, we are pampering the body. So that is what is doing Atma Mrityuna. When Purandaradas ji had Navakoti, 9 crores of gold coins. How much does it mean? I must ask Mahesh Geeta's husband. He works for a gold company. 9 crores of gold coins. And 24/7, he was only counting them. The whole day would be gone. Lending, lending, taking interest for it, lending, again getting back, lending, again getting. This was his job. It was 24/7 occupation. He couldn't think of Krishna. He couldn't think of Panduranga. But the day the Lord opened his eyes, that day he distributed all the 9 crores. Clap for that man. We can't give 9 gold coins in a day. 9 crores of coins he gave. And he wore saffron robe, told his wife, come with the tambura, we are going to dance and sing the name of the Lord. That night he could sleep. The history of saints is so strange. After giving away all the 9 crores of golden coins, he could sleep. Until then, he could not sleep. That is why Atma Mrityuna. Griha apatya apta pashubhihi ka priti. What is the priti? What is the love? For whom? For the house. There are some people who are so attached to the house. I remember a lady who was so fond of the house. After every guest departed, she would make, it was not Corona time at that time, and yet she would make all the servants wipe the sofas again and again. I said, my God, do we contaminate everything that we touch? Are we so dirty? I used to wonder. 5 minutes after you leave, she will wipe the whole house. Again, mop the whole hall. I said, my God. There's some people who are so attached to the griha, apatya, children, apta, those who are dear, and pets. My favorite quotable quote is, let the pet be a pet and not a pest. The pet should not become a pest. If it becomes a pest, then your sadhana will be gone like Bharata's sadhana for the dear little deer. And he lost a whole lifetime and had to be born as a deer in the next birth. A lifetime is lost. It's not a small joke. Losing a lifetime is losing a big treasure, Durlabham Anusham Janma Tadapi Adruvam Arthadam. To be born as a human being is rare, and to have a purpose in life is rarer still. Imagine losing this birth and being born as a dear little deer. But in that Janma, because of his Purva Punya, he remembered and he said, I won't get attached to anything. In the next birth, he came as Jadabharata, the great Avadhuta who could teach philosophy to a king called Rahugana. Griha apatya apta pashubhihi ka priti. What is the priti? Why? Sadhitai chalaihi. They are chalas. They are fickle. All of them. All of them are fickle. One cannot find permanent happiness even in the heavenly planets. I hope you know. There's a difference between Swarga and Moksha. Swarga is not 7-star, but 700-star hotel where you have everything, everything is in gold, everything is in beautiful ladies are there, beautiful men are there, handsome men are there, a lot of food, a lot of luxury. But after you finish your foreign currency, you have to come back home. That is how after Kshine Punya, after the Punya is over, back to the world. So those heavenly planets are also not permanent. What should you do under these circumstances? All the time you're telling us negative things, Swami. Tell us something positive. Bhagavata says, Tasmat Gurum Prapadyeta. Under such circumstances, approach the Guru. Jignyasu Shreya Uttamam Shabde Parecha Nishnatam Brahmani Upashamashrayam. Someone who is detached from the material world, someone who is a spiritual master, approach him, take shelter under him. Shadi Mam Tuam Prapannam. Tomorrow is Gita Jayanti. And I will tell you how Arjuna take shelter under Krishna. Shadi Mam, rule over me. When you meet a guru, ask him to rule over you. Being inquisitive, jignasu. Jnatum Ichha is jignasa. One who has a desire to know is called jignasu. Shreya Uttamam, about the highest good you should know from him. He is the one who is learned in the Vedas. Shabde Pare Cha Nishnatam. He is perfectly knowledgeable. He knows all the dharma that should be taught. Approach him. Take shelter under him. Unless we have a guru, our ignorance will not be removed. So the Bhagavata is telling us, he is the one, Tatra Bhagavatan Dharman Shikshet Guru Atma Daivataha. This great Guru will teach you Bhagavata Dharmas. What are the dharmas to be followed by a great man who is attached to the Lord? Amayaya Anuvritya Yaihi Tushet Atmatmado Harihi. It's a very lovely phrase, Atmatmado, he who gives himself. Generally, when we love somebody, you say, I give myself to you. The Lord also gives himself to the devotee. Atmatmado. Atmadaha. Atmadaha means Atmanam dadati iti. One who gives himself to the bhakta. I have quoted again and again from the Sudhama Charitra for you. Smarataha padakamalam atmanamapi yachati. Again and again, whenever I think of man, I feel so sad when he says, my wife, my daughter, my child, my son, my property, my job. The Lord must be asking him, Hum aapke hain kaun? What am I to you? Or, oh devotee, who am I to you? In every janma, I have looked after you. Nobody says, Mere Bhagwan, na? Main or mera. Nobody says, my God, my God. Very few, 1 in a million. Manushyanam Sahasreshu. Again, the Gita comes to my mind today. It's only tomorrow that we have to quote all this. Among thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands, one fellow will say, I belong to the Lord. Sarvato manaso asangam adau sangam cha sadhushu dayam maitrim prashrayam cha bhuteshu adha yathochitam. Again and again, the Bhagavata is emphasizing on our behavioral pattern. I always tell children that there is a way of behavior. Though you have to approach good people, sadhushu. Again, my mind goes to the Bhagavata, Kapilopadesha, when we are told who is a sadhu. Of course, those who wear saffron robes, have long beards, unmatted hair, they are sadhus. Indian culture accepts them. But what is the quality of a sadhu? Titikshavaha, karunikaha, suhrudas sarvadehinam, ajata shatravashanta, sadhavas sadhubhushanaha. They are patient. They don't hate anybody. They are kind to everybody. They are the ones who are sadhus. Ajata shatravaha. Neither do they have shatrus, nor are they the shatrus of anybody. That is the Sanskrit language. That is why our great man called Yudhishthira was known as Ajata Shatru. What a lovely name. What a lovely name. His embellishment was his virtue of hatelessness. He didn't hate anybody. He would never call Duryodhana Duryodhana. He would call him Suyodhana. Never in the Mahabharata can you find out one place where he calls him Duryodhana. Du is a bad prefix. Su is a good prefix. So he would call him Suyodhana, in spite of all that he did. And I told you, during his coronation, which is far, far more grand than the coronation in the Buckingham Palace, That great coronation, who is the VIP guest? Dhritarashtra. Dhritarashtra, who was eager to see his daughter-in-law being disrobed in public, who burned the house of the Pandavas, who poisoned Bhimasena, who wanted all the Pandavas to be dead. Not only that, after their victory, he wanted to crush Bhima to pieces. Just as the Pandavas were about to embrace Dhritarashtra, the Lord is their permanent savior. The Lord puts a huge statue of Bhima in steel in front of Dhritarashtra, and Dhritarashtra hugs just because he knows that Bhima has killed Duryodhana. He hugs the statue, and the statue is pulverized, powdered. After that, he says, I'm sorry. Did I kill uh, Bhimasena in sheer revenge? The Lord says, don't worry, I saved you from that papa. That was a steel statue, because the Lord knows how much of hatred he has. This is the Dhritarashtra who became the VIP during the coronation. That is why Ajatashatru. He's a sadhu. He's a sadhu. Nobody can be as patient and as good as the great man called Yudhishthira. We have to have association with good people. Again, what is the quality of good people? They exude virtues, they radiate virtues. When you stay with them, like the perfume they use, you get the perfume also on you. You feel that you should emulate them, that you should be like them. Whenever we meet great people, we bow down to them and ask them to bless us with virtues, with their virtues. That is the great role model they have set for us. Dayam, Maitrim, Prashrayam cha, Bhuteshu Adha Yathochitam. According to the commentary, it is said that the great man, the sadhu, is merciful to those in an inferior position, Daya. Then friendly to those on an equal level, Maitri, and reverence for those who are in a higher spiritual position. This is the behavioral pattern. We should remember this. Those who are inferior to us, my father was a very logical person. If my mother shouted at a helper, he would say, Padma, if she or he was as intelligent as you are, then you would be the servant and she would be the mistress. That shows she is inferior. So be kind, be kind. This is what we learn from Prahlada. Prahlada treated his servants as children. Children are so naughty. Children are so illogical. And then you say, after all, he's a child. And you forgive him or her, don't you? That is how we have to forgive our servants. Otherwise, they wouldn't be inferior to us. They depend on their daily meal from us. My dear listeners, the moment you tell a man, a servant, he is fired, you should see the sorrow in his face. So I tell people, unless he is a criminal, please don't dismiss anybody from the ashram. I can't bear to see, just for fun, if I say, I'm going to send you away, the man crumbles before you. I can't see that tragedy. I can't bear. Even for fun, I can't say that. You understand? So you have to be kind to your inferiors. Their daily bread is in your hands. Of course, in God's hands, but you are the master. Don't dismiss anybody. Try to correct them. Cultivate friendship with those on the equal level. Those who are your peers, please be friendly with them. When you meet superior people, offer your reverence to them. You should learn how to deal with different people in different ways. Yathochitam. Uchitam means suitable. To serve the spiritual master, these are the things that you should learn. Long before Corona, we got this instruction from the Bhagavatam. What should we learn? Shaucham, cleanliness, austerity, tolerance, silence, study of Vedic knowledge, simplicity, celibacy, non-violence, equanimity. Lovely qualities to be developed when you are with a spiritual master. The Bhagavata is teaching us how to refine ourselves and reform ourselves. We pass on to a very important part. One should rigidly control his mind, speech, and bodily activities, always speak the truth, and bring the mind and senses under control. All the time it is mind, the mind that is causing the problem. Tomorrow I will tell you. My maxim for the Gita is mind the mind. The Gita is about minding the mind. That is all. My father was also surprised when I gave him this. This is the summing of the Gita. The summing up of the Gita is minding the mind. The mind has to control mano, vak, karma, dandam cha, satyam, shamadamo api. External control, inner control. This is what is recommended by the Bhagavata Dharma. A line from Narada Pancharatra is given by Prabhupadaji's commentary. Aradhito yadi hari tapasa tatakim naradhito yadi hari tapasa tatakim antarbahir yadi hari tapasa tatakim nantarbahir yadi hari tapasa tatakim. This is what I quoted in the morning's message, if some of you went through it. Very strange. It's a play on words and it's a play on thought also. Aradhito yadi hari. If you worshipped Hari, why do you need penance? If you've not worshipped Hari, what can penance do? Na aradhito Hari, tapasa tatakim. If Hari is inside and out, why do you need penance? If Hari is not inside and out, why do you need penance? Is that clear? I'll repeat. If you have worshipped Hari, why do you need penance? If you've not worshipped Hari, why do you need penance? If Hari is inside and outside, why do you need penance? If Hari is not inside and outside, why do you need penance? It's a lovely play on words and thought. See, all our rituals are stupid if they don't have the bhava behind them. The bhavana is important. Yat karoshi, yat ashnasi, yat juhoshi, tadasyatu patram pushpam phalam toyam yome bhaktya prayachati. You have to do it with bhakti. Only then the Lord accepts. Merely doing aradhana of the Lord, saying Tera tujhko arpan and saying Mera mujhko arpan. No? What sort of an arti is that, my dear listeners? What is it? The Lord, it is said, my Chaitanya Mahaprabhu quotes, O Krishna, son of Maharaja, says the Bhakta, I am your eternal servant. Yet somehow or other, I have fallen into the ocean of birth and death. Please pick me up from this ocean of death and place me as one of the atoms of your lotus feet. It's a very nice phrase. No? Ayi Nandatanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam Budhau Kripaya Tava Pada Pankajasthita Dhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. Simple Sanskrit, isn't it? I will repeat it. A Nanda Tanuja, son of Nanda. Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam Budhau. In the ocean of the world, in the ocean of life, I have fallen. I am your Kinkara. You know what the meaning of Kinkara is? Kinkara means he who says, what can I do for you? What can I do for you? We have a very loyal helper of the ashram. You don't give him a job, he is depressed. What can you do? Every moment he wants, Kim karomi iti kinkara. What can I do? What can I do? That's called Kinkara. And in the Vaishnava terminology, Kainkaryam, it is called. Kainkari means service. Please regard me as your servant, master. Kripaya tava pada pankaja sthita dhuri sadrisham. Again, I am the dust of the lotus feet of yours. Please think of me as that. That is enough, Narayana. Krishna says this great Mahatma. What is the way to propitiate the Lord? What we are doing now. Sravanam, Kirtanam, Dhyanam, Harer Adbhuta Karmana, Janma Karma Gunanam cha, Tadarthe Akhila Cheshtitam, Ishtam, whatever worship you perform. Ishtam, Dattam, Tapo, Japtam, Vrittam, Yat Chatmana Priyam, Daran, Sutan, Grahan, Pranan, Yat Parasmai Nivedanam. It's a very practical suggestion for all of us belonging to ordinary roti kapda makan category. All of us have all these problems. We are householders, and we are to be educated into spirituality. So what is the path for us? Shravana. I told you my father was a very logical person. He says, Premu, thank God we don't have earlids like eyelids. You don't want to see me, you can switch off the Zoom. No? But you have to hear me because the audio will be on. The ear is always open. You like it or not? From right to left, left to right, the Lord is filling our ears. Tava kathamritam Krishna tapta jivanam kavibhiriditam Krishna kalmashapaham shravana mangalam. That is why I tell all husbands who are my brothers to give their wives lovely earrings because they are listening to the Lord's katha. The earring is not an embellishment. The earring is a reward for Shravana. Clap for me, women. Clap for me. That is why they're listening to the Lord's name. The more you buy for them, the more katha they will listen to. That is why. That is why we in India have these embellishments. Why do we wear haras? Because it is only for the Lord who is seated here, not for myself. Not for myself, not for the body. It is for the Lord Antaryami who is seated here. Sarvasya chaham hridisanni vishto. Why do you wear bangles? So that you can do archana for the Lord. My dear listeners, everything in Hinduism is God-oriented. If you believe that He is the center of your life, that is why we have ornaments. And I think Indian culture is the most lovely culture, where the woman has all the best ornaments. And why does she wear anklets? So that she goes around the temple. That is why. That's why she wears anklets. Everything has a meaning. So Shravana, first we have to listen. After listening, I'm sure after 7:45, 90% of you are chanting Narayana, Narayana, cooking, making roti, folding the sari, going to the kitchen, going to see your children, whatever you're doing, Narayana, Narayana. And the family says, I know, you've gone to satsang. We know that. We know. You just returned from satsang. Because after Shravana comes Kirtana. After Kirtana, when you go to bed, dhyana, don't you? What did Amma say today? Even as I go back to bed, I always say, Jiya nahi lage tere bin ho bihari. What did I sing today? Dhyana comes naturally. Harer adbhuta karmanaha. The bhakta is not worried about ordinary common things. These common things will pass. COVID will pass. Corona will pass. It can't be an eternal problem. It may be a global problem. But this, in the context of eternity, is just for a while, although it seems a long time. My dear listeners, we have to think of the Adbhuta Karmana, the great God whose deeds are great. They are Adbhuta, awesome. Janma Karma Gunanam Cha Tadarthe Akila Cheshtinam. We have to think of the activities of the Lord, the qualities of the Lord, the holy names of the Lord. Janma Karma Gunanam Cha Tadarthe Akila Cheshtinam. The greatness about Hinduism is it's a way of life. Everybody quotes it but does not understand it. What does the way of life mean? Everything is Krishna Arpanam. A devotee was thanking me for having darshan of the Lord. When I stood before Venkateshwara, I said, Sarvam Samarpanam on behalf of all of you. That is all. I just used the word Samarpana. Nothing else. Not a single shloka I got. What more do you want? What more do you want? Yat karoshi dashnasi. That is how Akhila Cheshtitam Tadarthe. That is for him. Ishtam. What a Ishtam means anything that is, any worship that is performed. Dattam, any dana that you give. After giving, what do we say? Idam na mama. The mantra is told by the priest, not by you. That's the problem. That's why we say, Ayayo, I gave off that thing after giving up. Give gracefully. Somebody gave us a cow, saying the cow was ill long back. And let her die here. I said, she comes to Gokuldham, she won't die. And you won't believe, she was not ill. She had a baby. She had a calf in her womb, and that had fever. So they thought it was cancer. And they left the cow and the calf here. The calf was born. The lady wanted it back. I said, nothing doing. I'm a pakka businesswoman. Once given is always given. Once given to Krishna, you can't take it back. How can you take it back? Once you put something into the hundi of Venkateshwara, you think you can ask the JU to return it to you? No, nothing doing. It's given as given. That's all. That is how ishtam, tap, japtam, tapo, dattam, tapa, whatever tapa you have done, japa you have done, vrittam, whatever you have, any pious activity that you have, that is vritta. Yet chatmana priyam. As soon as you come into the world, we have likes and dislikes. Can't help it according to our nature. We like certain things, certain people, Dharan, wife, Sutan, children, Grahan, house, Pranan, life, Yet Parasmai Nivedanam. Everything is yours, Krishna. Everything is yours. What a lovely way of God-centered life, isn't it? That is Hinduism. Hinduism doesn't say have a long beard and go off to the Himalayas today. You have to cross Delhi, and Delhi is full of infection. You can't go. My dear listeners, look at the practicality of our sages. They give you a modus operandi which is practical, which is feasible, not impossible. Those days, people had time, so they would go to the Himalayas. Today, our offices are Himalayas. Our work is our worship. Whatever we are doing, Dharan, Sutan, Grahan, Pranan, Atmana Priyam, all this is dear to us. Our wife and husband are dear to us. Our children are dear to us. Our house, whatever we have built with our own hands, with hard-earned money, it's dear to us. And of course, our prana is dear to us. All this parasmai nivedanam, offering it to the Lord. That is what the Lord wants, and that is what the gopis did. Vikritu kama kilagopakanya Murari Padar Pita Chitta Vritti Dadhyadikam Mohavashatavochat Govinda Damu Daramadhaviti Govinda Damu Daramadhaviti Govinda Damu Daramadhaviti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. The next shloka is very practical again. Man cannot live without company. All of us want friends. It all depends on whom you choose. As the great Christian saying goes, you tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. Our friends decide who we are. Our dussanga or satsanga has a deep impact on us. Evam Krishnatmanatheshu Manushyechu Saurudam Paricharyam Chobhayatra Mahatsunrushu Sadhushu. We have to develop friendship. Saurudam. Saurudam means friendship. With whom? Manusheshu, Krishnatmanatheshu. Those who have Krishna as their master, they are the people who should be our friends. Like-minded bhaktas. Like-minded bhaktas. This time, when I met Udanali Swami, he asked me to speak on the Lord. And after that, he was summing up. He said, Machchitta, Madgata Prana, Bodhayanta Parasparam, Katayantascha Mam Nityam, Tushyanti cha Ravanti cha. These are the bhaktas who sing about me and think about me, convey about my glories, and they are the ones who are teaching each other. Such people we have to have as friends. And we should serve. What is our duty? Among religious persons, we should specially render service to the pure devotees of the Lord. My dear listeners, when we serve great people, the Lord is pleased in them. That is why whenever you see any Mahatma, try to do some service for that person. The next shloka is something which I would like to elaborate and then stop the katha there. What is the purpose of satsanga? Smarantaha, smarayantascha, mitho agaugaharam harim, bhaktya sanjataya bhaktya, bibrat utpulakam tanum. When you talk about the Lord, you get goosebumps, don't you? There are some moments when you suddenly have horripilation. Who are the people who are doing this? Those devotees who are constantly discussing the glories of the Lord among themselves. They remember the Lord. If I don't remember the Lord, I can't talk about him. And if I'm talking about him, I remember and I remind you. Remembering and reminding, two lovely qualities of the Kathakar. You understand? Smarantascha, smaranta, smarayantascha. Have I not told you that we are only reminders? All of you know the Gita, you know the Bhagavatam, you know the Ramayana, you know everything. But 24/7, you don't have time. So these 45 minutes, we give you the essence of the Katha. That is what we do. So we are reminders. 7 o'clock, please come for the Zoom program. This is our reminder. Ramuji sends you the reminder just to say that Amma has come to remind you of the Lord. What do I say? Don't worry. Re man tu kahe घबराए तेरे साथ बिहारी है ये जीवन का जो भार उठाता गिरधारी है. He carried a mountain. Can't he carry your small little worry? Small little worry. That is the message for today, Hari versus worry. No? There's a duel between the name of the Lord and worry. Worry is there always to trouble us. Worry means worry only. He is the one. He is the one, only one who can remove. Smarantas, smarayantascha, mitho, aghauga haram harim, bhaktya sanjayata, bhaktya sanjataya, bhaktya vibrat utpulakam tanum. I will elaborate it tomorrow because it's not possible to finish the shloka today. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhuti Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. Narayana, 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 Bolo Narayana, 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 Krishna Narayana, 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 Satya Narayana, 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 Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. God willing, we meet tomorrow at 7 for the rest of the satsang. Let me reiterate my appeal for the Annakshetra. A very elaborate scheme to feed 5,000 people a day is coming up in Kshetrapasana. You can be the proud participants of it. If you are generous enough to contribute 1 lakh of Indian rupees or above, your name will be displayed on the board of donors. I'm happy that some people are coming forward. I look forward to more people joining us. With these words, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, Yatra Partha Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruvani.
Thank you, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma. Thank you, Ma. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna,
Thank
Ma.
you, Amma.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma.
Radhe
Krishna.
Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Teju, how are you?
Haircut, Teju, nice haircut.
Very smart.
Didi.
Nice looking.
Hello, Teju. Hey, Amma.
Thank you, Amma.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Didi.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Ma Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Amma. Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Ma.
Jai